I put her here. You see the mothers with the heavy babies, they are fighting. I pay better.
Okurikira hangendero ya World Health Organization Abakazi benda ekiche bashemeye kubana batayirirwaro kuchebezenda ninga jete antinento emirunde na konko mu Uganda abakazi bamwe nibashanga obuzibu habwo kushanga ngu bamwe nibatura hare n'amarwariro. Dr. Fred Kagwa umugugumbi ya Tekinologiya kurugari Mbarara University of Science and Technology agambira enshonga ahabwenchi bari no bakora Tekinologiya ji.
We have developed a large language model which is AI based that is able to be given information concerning most of the issues that mothers would suffer and most of the questions that mothers would ask and most of the responses that doctors would give when the mothers physically visit the hospitals. So this LLM is going to help the mother who is in a far-to-reach area who does not have transport.
Fred na jangwe ji Tekinologiya ne basa kugambira omukazi ekyari kuba naenda kyona kanungu neyo kubanza omunkora yo kutungura ebyamagara.
It is a first aid box. You can have a challenge as a mother or as a pregnant woman late in the night and you don't have transport, you don't have any means to reach the hospital. This is a first aid box that you can consult. It will give you information on what to do in that meantime as you wait to go to visit the hospital.
Within research, we really would want to ensure that all these disparities that are there, even the chances of giving birth, it's sometimes, I don't know, I heard somebody say 36%, but it's improving. That was some time back, previous years. We would want to ensure that every pregnant woman actually manages to carry that delivery to term.
Ahanshonga yaba buri mukazi na munongo mu cyaro babana babasesumera kumanya ka smartphone. Dr. Richard Chimera kurga itendekero niryo rumwe rya must okunuko yeshoborira ati.
We have thought about the fact that most of our mothers do not have smartphones. More so, they might not even be able to access the internet to have these models or this AI used on their smartphones. So one of the things we are thinking about is to build some IoT devices or Internet of Things, or call it a hardware device that we can put in a hospital, and we hope that this device can have the model embedded on it, such that whenever mother comes close to the hospital, they can connect to this device.
Yagira ngo nabo abatari kubasagura simeza smartphone bari no bateka henkora yo kureba ngo umuntu nabasa kwesa kasimu ke akache kusindika obutumwa.
What if you have a cell phone? The phone you have is not smart, and you still wish to ask while you are at home. So one of the things we are exploring is you can send an SMS from wherever you are, and then we'll be able to receive it through telecom companies, translate it, convert it, then ask the model, and then send back the answer in a language that you have asked.
Wangari yokurugum Science for Africa umwihangari ya Kenya abarukagira encourage yagizire ngo bineke genderwa kureba ngo ebyamagara byanywezebwa.
One of the things that we saw and that we are keen on in terms of support, one was tools that would facilitate when it comes to health system strengthening. So tools that were coming in to support, let's say, routine administrative work. You know, you're lightening the workload for that workforce to ensure that some of this work is done by AI instead of having to put in somebody to come in and support that.
Abakugu bazengwe nkoreje ya Tekinologiya emyaka 5 yaza kwaho ebyamagaro mu ihanga nibija kuterera. Adolf Ayreka, Tayari West TV. Agenshonga.